Hi guys, it's NTL and I'm here to make logo with Illustrator. Today I will show you how to make the WISE logo, aka the Westalian Intelligence from the anime Spy X family. Let's do it. Okay, for this project we will create a new document. The first things to do is to create a triangle. Here's other things to follow. 1. Use the rectangle tool to create a square. 2. Choose the direct selection tool. Select these two lines over here, then delete them. 3. Line segment tool over here and connect these 2 points. We select everything and unite them in the Pathfinder window over here, and we have the triangle that we wanted. Secondly, we will make the outline pattern of the logo. First, select the triangle, hold Alt and drag it to the new position to make a copy. Please remember to connect these two triangles by this point to this point. Select both triangles after that and group them together. Select the group that we just created. Use Reflect tool and select the axis to make a copy of it. Now do the same with both groups to finish this step. Create a new layer and rename it as I. Continue with the project, creating a circle. Align it to the center. Rotate them 45 or minus 45 degrees. Hold Alt and drag it to match the corner of the previous shape. Now we create these two little circles over here and use them as a guideline. So now we can make a circle based on this guideline. Move those two little circles to the new position and we will have a new guideline. Next, make 3 other circles like this. Then you can turn off these two. Head on to File, Document Setup. In the General window over here, you will see the Transparencies and Overprints option. In there, check the box that says Stimulate Color Paper and choose the background color that you design. Use the Direct Selection tool and select the top half of this latest circle that we create, then press Delete. Produce a line connect this point. Select them all, then unite. Now we have a semicircle. Next will be the easiest part of all. Create a pupil with a 200 pixel radius circle. And now we are done with all the basics. To simplify things, we must first turn off some of these layers. Select the semicircle and change its fill color to white. Next, select the circle right below the semicircle and change its fill color to black. Next, select them both. In the Pathfinder window, click on minus front and you will have this result. Okay, we will turn this off. Then turn on the outline pattern of the logo. As you can see here, we have the outline part and the circle. What you need to do now is to duplicate both layers. They will set up the premise for very interesting parts. Select the circle and the outline we just created. Use Shape Builder tools and follow my instruction to create the border of the logo. Lastly, Select the original circle and the original outline. Use Shape Builder tool and follow my instruction once more. Okay, you see this four shape over here? Change the fill color into black. Finally, remember this circle that we created? Do this. And we have the finishing product. That is it for today. I hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye now.